Beautiful sunrises, sunsets, moonrises, moonsets. You get it. We do have some changes, though. We have a cold front sweeping through. Both the showers and the north winds are going to usher in some cleaner air. Remember, the source region for all this fires out in the western part of the northern Rockies, with the upper level winds carrying a lot of that smoke our way. As we set your wildfire smoke forecast into motion, I want to explain that this is through the depth of the atmosphere. These smoke particulates that this model is modeling could be anywhere from the surface to the upper atmosphere. And most of this is upper atmospheric smoke and haze. Now, we still will have some in the Southern Valley as we head into the morning hours, but advancing it through the latter part of the day and as we start your weekend, it is gone. Out of here, providing us with some blue skies for at least much of our weekend for many of us. Now, as we take a look at the rain showers associated with the cold front moving through, they stretch from north central Minnesota into parts of eastern South Dakota, where we're starting to see some thunder and lightning there. Now, upwind from Fargo and southeast North Dakota here, we have another batch of showers heading our way overnight. So we're going to have some active weather, and we do have, again, these showers that are making their way in this general northeasterly direction. We're going to start with the thunder and lightning down south. It's hot down there. Temperatures were near 90 or better in some of these areas, and there's energy in the atmosphere and there's moisture. And it's producing, even at this late hour, some large hail producing storms. These, as you can see, south of our viewing area are going to continue their way to the north and east. So not anticipating any of our counties to get anything severe as we head through the overnight hours. Wyndmere, Breckenridge, all the way up to Hawley and the eastern reaches of Clay County, seeing some showers. Becker County, the western one half, and the northern portion seeing some heavier showers of rain. This is a pretty narrow band that extends up into the eastern reaches of Beltrami County right now. The rest of us are quiet. Hey, it was sizzling hot out to the west today, but they have gone, boy, from the 100-degree weather yesterday down into the 50s. 100, yeah, that's like a 40-plus degree cool off over what we saw yesterday out in the western Dakotas. Right now, Hector International, your temperature has cooled from the 80s to 61 degrees. We have 56 for a dew point. Our wind northwesterly, not nearly as gusty as when that front made its way through. I want to point out the hour-by-hour forecast. I'm going to have you focus on a couple of things. I'm going to stand off to the side in case you're in one of our eastern counties. You'll see these showers exit. But what develops another overnight hours, I've paused this now at about 1:45. In case you happen to be out walking the llama in the Southern Valley, there'll be a chance for some scattered showers of rain. The yellows and oranges indicate it could be locally heavy. Now, these are moving at a fairly reasonable clip, so I don't anticipate significant rain, but a few tenths are not out of the question. Quieter up to the north. A little further into the evening, the showers continue to slowly drift off to the east, so the heaviest will be east of the Red River Valley. As we go towards daybreak, though, at 7:30, quiet north but cooler, and some clearing up in our northeast North Dakota counties. Rain showers still possible first thing in the day, so have your washer fluid topped off and maybe have the umbrella ready for the kids as they're heading off to school. I don't anticipate severe weather here, by the way. This is good old-fashioned garden variety showers with 40s and 50s to start your day. So the rain showers exit. We'll have a stream of clouds through the region, and we stay in the 60s for the morning. What about the afternoon? Well, folks, it looks cool. We're in the 60s all day. We might manage to kiss 70 degrees in a couple of our counties. There'll be a shot up north with a little bit more sunshine. North winds 5 to 15 miles per hour. It's going to be a cool day to close out your work week. 56 degrees and a few showers in the FM area very early in the morning. Then just passing clouds, north winds and northwest winds at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Temperatures, a snapshot of your hometown in the 5 o'clock hour show a chance at some near 70-degree readings here and there, but most of us will spend the entirety of our afternoon in the 60s. All right, we warm up a pinch as we go into Saturday and into Sunday. We're talking low 70s there. And we warm to the mid 70s as we head into the middle of next week with spotty shower chances in the forecast on Wednesday.
It's probably kissing the 80s goodbye, but those are still pretty warm temperatures next week.
Not bad at all, and above average once we get into next work week.
All right, thanks, Hutch.
Yep.
After the break,